Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I'm sitting here at McDonald's drinking my coffee and wondering about what my next video is going to be about. So I look over here to the right and there we see a shortleaf pine needles all over the ground. Back over on this side, look at all them cigarette butts up against the curb there. I know what our next video is going to be about. Cigarette butts are a great coal extender. Easy to ignite, so let's just explore that today. All right, let's go for the obvious. Older vehicles are many times going to have a cigarette lighter in them. A very easy way to ignite this tobacco, and then you could turn it into a fire. We get all the tobacco out on top of that ember. I like the easy ones, and that is definitely an easy one. Let's go ahead and try to do some solar ignition. All right, it's going to be another easy one because this solar igniter is very powerful. Let's go ahead and process up the pine needles. I'm not going to need my sunglasses on this one because it's going to ignite this cigarette butt so quickly. You want to find the focal point on your hand first. Now, yes, you could ignite the pine needles directly, but with this ember here, it's going to be a whole lot quicker. And you're not always going to have pine needles. This will work really well with leaves. And any other kind of tinder, even a shavings tinder bundle. We'll go ahead and make another one. I ain't gonna play around with it this time. We're gonna get it. All right, let's try the empty bick next. The empty bick will have no problem igniting that tobacco. No problem at all. All right, stick it right down in here. Hold with your finger and start striking. Simple. Now what I want to try to do is one that Boggy Creek Beast, Tim over at Boggy Creek Beast already showed us, that tobacco will fire roll. So I have this Yucca fiber. Let's break this down and fire roll some tobacco in Yucca fiber. All right, I finally got that cordage taken apart. Only needed half of it though. That's some good fiber there. If you remember when we used the wood ashes, I was talking about how bad the ashes are to just filter right down through the fibers. Won't have that problem this time. Let's give it a try. I think that's all we need. Let's roll it up as tight as we can get it now. When you don't use wood ashes, you have problems with the top board and the bottom board flattening out the fire roll. So sometimes you can use spit, which will help give it some traction. It's still too soft to roll. I'm going to keep rolling it until it gets hard enough to withstand the rolling process. right back in my face, making me want to cough. All right, y'all. Now, although I used pine needles throughout, the easy igniting tobacco will make a hot enough ember to where leaves, shavings, especially tulip poplar bark, any of that's going to ignite if you try to use a tobacco ember. So keep that in mind if you're hard up to make a fire, that there are cigarette butts on the ground everywhere, seems like. All right, y'all. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.